check it, cause I'm about to wreck it. Hey yo, Hydra on the fucking track, the haters pissed. We got so many of them, we can't pick which one to diss. They all got one thing in common, which is talking bullshit. But I do the exact opposite. I talk facts like a scientist. You probably find more change in my couch than what your allowance is. Hey yo, bitches looking for me like kids looking under the tree on Christmas. Hey yo, I'll send y'all home without even having to diss. So listen. You dig, stomp you out with my bare feet, make you feel like you just got stomped out by ACGs. Nigga, I'm the type of nigga that'll take your name out the streets. I don't want no beef, keep the peace. I smoke weed. Nigga, M14 and I pop like smoking seeds. You wanna be hard? I'ma play some heat, make you feel soft like steaming a leaf. Listen, I stick out like the stem. And you already know, my name is everywhere like this nigga Dem from ACC. Your niggas can't see me, I'm on another level now. Come on man, I'll put your name on the ground and stomp it out. Like this and like that, and you already know how I do that. Listen, I black bitches, white bitches,